Hey guys, Fire Ice Dragon here. I don't know why I just had this idea, but I'm about to eat part of this dog biscuit.
Because she's retarded.
That's my uncle in the background. Come on, wait, focus. Fine. There he is.
She's retarded.
I am not. I have ADHD. What's your excuse?
No, she was dropped as a kid. She's retarded.
And you were locked in a washing machine. So shut up.
No matter. I'm not eating a dog biscuit.
Because you don't have the balls to.
Come on, eat it. Put it in your mouth.
Okay, I'll do it. See? It's actually not that bad. I'm glad you guys didn't see that thing.
Oh my god. Wash your mouth out.
No.
Nasty ass.
I gotta swallow it now. Alright. Just wanted to make that quick video. I don't know why.
It's not funny.
Shut up. I'm trying to get more views. I already got 33 subscribers.
Smash your head against the wall and see if you get more reviews.
Okay, like this video if you want me to punch my uncle in the back of the head. Okay, Fire Ice Dragon out.